Hi, I'm Lynne with Softsquares. Today we're going to continue working on the Happy Hallows quilt. This is what it looks like. It's a block of the month, but if you get the kit through me or the pattern, you don't get it a block at a time, you get the whole thing. So I am right now working on block 9, which is called Late Bloomer. It's that one. And so far, I've made all of these, and this is the last one that I made. I'm so proud of him. He's so cute. So all the others are here, 1 through 8, and there is videos on each of those. So let's get to him. Again, it's called Happy Hallows, and you can get it off of softsquares.com. It is, I kind of had and cut my strips out. Now this is really easy. There's no paper piecing involved, even though it looks like it is. It's not. So it is, it's all strip piecing, stitch and flip, and flying geese. And that's all the techniques are that it takes to make this, and some patience. So let's start by breaking these out and seeing what we have. So fabric 1, or A, is our dark orange. F is the light orange, which I don't have. So I goofed and I skipped that. I will cut that in a minute. The dark gray is I, the dark green is J, and K is purple. It had me make 2 of those. So first of all, I need to get my light orange cut. So fabric F, and when I make the kits, you will have all the fabric, just like I do, but I skipped it when I subcut it. Okay, so the colors I'm using Riley Blake's Confetti Cotton for this project, and the color in Riley Blake is Marmalade, and everything comes with a sticker on as to what it is. But let's see what I have here. I need 3. Oh, it's a leftover piece that I didn't hold on to, and this is probably the piece because it is, yep, it's about the size. It's a little bit longer, which is good, than what it said I would have had a leftover piece to work with. So I just put it in here. This is where I'm sticking all my extra pieces, and we'll see what's left over and if I can make extra blocks to make wall covering, or like a wall hanging or pillow cover or something. All right. So, like I said, I went ahead and did all this part ahead of time, except I missed this one. 2.5. Oh, we're not really using a lot out of this. It's just, this is the size of strip that was left over from block 6, and I didn't keep block 6. I guess you should see what I'm doing. This is, oh my gosh. You probably didn't see any of this either. No, I think you did. Anyway. That's all I need. let's start making our flower block. I've laid everything out that needs to be put together. So I'm going to sew these together, do a stitch and flip on all of these, and then I'll show you how it comes together because that's the center of the flower. These are the petals. Half square triangles, going to get 2 sets for each block and 4 for each flower. Here we're going to do 4 per flower per color. So here's all of the purple with the gray stitch and flip, so just a little corner that we're doing. This too on all of these, and then we'll do the same thing on all of these with that, and 4 go to each flower. Let's just start sewing. I've made all my little squares, and now I've sewn them into rows, and then I will do this. And it comes to how you press them. You press the center piece going out and the other sides going in, so when you put them together they will nest. And so I didn't realize my camera stopped filming, so I'm not sure what you saw last. You probably saw me miss some of this, and the last little bit I was just squaring up and then laying it out and putting it in where they belong and then making these rows. So I've got both sets going, and now let's finish it. block is done. On to the next one.